So today we are going to show you how to use or operate tools, specifically the hand tools. But before that,
there are 4 different types of tools, and that is electrostatic discharge tools, in short ESD tools.
Static electricity is easily generated by friction on carpets, tile flooring, clothing, hair fabric, and etc. The friction of moving air alone will charge suspended particles and cause the buildup of static electrical charges on people and objects in the environment. Grounded anti-static work mats used with anti-static wrist straps provide the most basic means for the controlled discharge of electrostatic electricity.
Hand tools
is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using only hands. Can be used manually or electrically powered using electrical current.
Cleaning tools.
Having appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining or repairing computers. Using these tools ensures that the computer components are not damaged during cleaning.
And lastly, the diagnostic tools.
Computers are easier to use and more dependable with each new generation of hardware and operating system update. But that does not mean they are problem-free.
and as what I have said before, we are going to show you how to use or operate hand tools, specifically the screwdriver. The screwdrivers we are going to use are the Phillips head screwdriver. Use a Phillips head screwdriver with crosshead screws. Do not use this type of screwdriver to puncture anything. This will damage the head of the screwdriver. Which is in 3 sizes. The largest size we have, for the largest size, we have PH2 by 150mm. For the medium size, we have PH2 by 100mm. And for the smallest size, we have PH1 by 75mm.
And we have this one, the flat screwdriver.
Use a flathead screwdriver when you are working with a slot screw. Do not use a flathead screwdriver to remove a Phillips head screw. Never use a screwdriver as a pry bar. If you cannot remove a component, check to see if there is a clip or latch that is securing the component in place.
Screwdriver with the size of the bigger one is 6 by 150mm, and for the medium one is 6 by 100mm, and the smallest one is 5 by 75mm.
We also have a screwdriver that is in a much smaller size. This screwdriver has the head of different screwdrivers. We have the head of the Phillips head screwdriver, the head of the flathead screwdriver, the head of the hex screwdriver, and many more. So, the screws that we are going to operate on is the screw of a cutter. So, the screw of this cutter can be operated by using 2 different types of screwdrivers, which are the Phillips head screwdriver
and a flat screwdriver.
So, we are going to start by operating using the smallest size of the Phillips head screwdriver and the smallest size of the flathead
Screwdriver.
So, to unscrew this, we have to turn it counterclockwise. And to screw it back, we have to turn it clockwise. I use the Phillips head screwdriver.
Then I use flathead screwdriver.
Then, to unscrew it, we're gonna twist it to counterclockwise. And to back it again, we're gonna twist it to clockwise. The screwdrivers.
But before we end this video, we are going to give you 3 additional tips for better use
And for safety too.
The first step. If the screw is tight, you can use a larger screwdriver for better leverage.
Second tip, if the screw head is damaged, you may need to use a special tool to remove it.
For the third, our last tip, always wear safety glasses when using a screwdriver to protect your eyes from flying debris. That's all. Thank you for watching and God bless.